This is a quick review of the Balder 28,000 milliamp hour portable power station. If you've been struggling to get real AC power off-grid, this 90 watt-hour Life PO4 unit might be exactly what you need. It's sitting at 52 reviews with a 4.8 average, but here's what it's actually like to use and the results you can expect. Most power banks only give you USB. That's fine for phones, but not for lamps, routers, or laptops that need AC. The Balder solves that by pairing a 90 watt-hour Life PO4 battery with two 100-watt AC outlets, 150-watt surge, plus fast USB-C. Here's how it delivers value. I ran a desk lamp and a fan on high, and my laptop, no problem. In my experience, I got about 2 extra hours on my laptop doing light work, once from the back of my truck tailgate. I also ran a lamp for 1.5 hours, and the battery only dropped to 74%, which is great for short power outages. Compared to small USB-only power banks, this gives you AC plus faster USB-C and safer Life PO4 chemistry with up to 5,000 cycles versus larger 300 to 500 watt-hour stations. The Balder is lighter duty, better for short sessions and small devices, not space heaters or hot plates. If you need to run appliances over 100 watts continuous, a higher capacity, higher watt inverter makes more sense. If your gear is laptops, cameras, drones, lights, routers, this fits neatly. If you want reliable portable AC and fast USB for camping, photographers, drone charging, or short home outages, this delivers strong value and safe performance. It's not ideal for high wattage appliances or all-day runtime, but for small device AC power, it's excellent. Check the wattage on your gear. If you're under 100 watts, the Balder will serve you well.